Welcome to my channel THEBRIOWIN, the future of products. One of the main benefits of GoPros is how durable they are. For people who do a lot of action and adventure sports, investing in a camera that can withstand rough and tumble is always a sensible idea. After all, the last thing you want is to break your camera for a couple of days into a climbing, skiing, or cycling holiday. Since they are shockproof and waterproof, they're ideal for all terrains, and the rock-steady stabilization is getting better and better with each new version. The best GoPro camera for you might differ from the best GoPro camera for someone else. As well as the standard action cameras, we believe sharing and reliving our experiences. GoPro also makes some of the best 360 cameras that enable you to capture video with an entirely different perspective. The best GoPro is great for capturing high-res photos and videos of all your action-packed adventures or vlogging needs. This video we are introducing for top 3 best action camera GoPro in 2023. Let's get started the video. Number 3, GoPro Hero 10 Black. The GoPro Hero 10 might be a little more than you need if you just want a helmet cam for safety purposes, but if you're looking for a camera that's going to record super smooth high-quality video, this can't be beaten. It might look a lot like the GoPro Hero 9, but it is a pretty significant upgrade. It features the new G2 processor, which makes the interface super responsive, doubles the frame rates, and fuels the best image stabilization tech available in action cameras. The standout feature is its ability to record 5.3K 60p using GoPro's new Hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization. It also has the ability to shoot 23 megapixel photos, and it has the best low light performance of any GoPro yet. You can buy a wealth of accessories separately, so as well as mounting it on your helmet, you could attach it to your chest, your head, or even onto one of the best selfie sticks. Despite looking the same as its predecessor, the Hero 10 Black benefits from better performance across the board. Its frame rates are higher, its interface is smoother, its transfers are faster, and its photos and videos. The Hero 10 Black case, the new GP2 processor, makes a lot of difference. The Hero 10 Black is also solid and durable, with waterproofing up to 33 feet 10 meters. Number 2, GoPro Hero 11 Black. The number 1, GoPro MAX 360. The GoPro MAX is a combination of the Hero 8 and the 360-degree Fusion, with some exclusive new features that put a major emphasis on MAX. The camera packs Max Hypersmooth stabilization, Max time warp lapsing, and Max SuperView wide-angle recording. The GoPro 360 camera, but the MAX benefits from some significant improvements such as 5.6K video in all directions, making it a professional movie-making tool. It has 4 digital focal lengths, horizon leveling, hypersmooth stabilization, and ProTune video editing software. The GoPro MAX provides 3 different camera modes, a single lens, as with any GoPro Hero, a front-facing perspective, and immersive 360-degree capture. You can't switch between them while shooting, but in between shots it's easy to switch settings to capture a variety of clips. The GoPro MAX does an excellent job of stitching surroundings together right on the camera. The GoPro MAX captures artifact-free shots, meaning that you'll get a panoramic photo with a single press. Rather than the physical pan motion you need to get a similar photo on a mobile phone, the GoPro MAX pairs with the GoPro app to mirror what the camera is capturing on your mobile device. When the app is connected to the MAX's Wi-Fi, it functions as a remote control for the camera. You can record video, take photos, and even set up a Facebook live stream hands-free from the GoPro MAX. The GoPro MAX could even change how people vlog and create YouTube videos. We just need more people to know about it first. This GoPro is connected with all smart features. Thanks for watching the video. The links to the products mentioned in the video are available in the description below.
Don't forget to subscribe the channel, like the video, and press the bell icon.